Amiga, from where are you?
I'm from Mexico.
Mexico. Okay. Do you know who is the president of the Philippines? Just like Prime Minister here.
No, from Philippines.
Yeah, no,
No, I don't.
any popular people from the Philippines, like movie actress, movie actor. Do you know someone?
No, I know my partners.
Only your partner.
Yeah.
Your partner is Filipino.
Sí, Romana, Mary,
Oh, your co-workers.
co-workers.
Yeah, co-workers. Yeah. I forgot the recipe that you said yesterday. It's
But
you
the
said
beef,
yeah, the beef. How to cook that beef?
the beef. Okay. For the salsa, you have
Yeah.
to boil it green tomatillo.
Tomatillo.
Tomatillo. Do you
What's-
know the green tomatillo?
Yeah, that is a green tomato.
Yeah, green tomato,
Okay.
jalapeno.
Okay.
Maybe depends how spicy you want. One
Okay.
or two jalapenos.
Yeah.
Onion,
Yeah.
garlic,
Yeah.
cumin,
Yeah.
and then blended salt.
Yeah.
So that's for the salsa, and then you put the beef in little pieces,
Okay.
which is pork ribs.
Okay.
If you like pork
Yeah, I'm
ribs.
gonna try that
Yeah.
recipe.
I made last night.
Is that the Mexican popular
Yes.
recipe?
Yeah, we
Dishes?
call costilla de puerco
Costilla de puerco,
en salsa verde.
salsa verde.
Sí.
So what is in English?
Uh, pork ribs
Pork ribs
and green sauce.
and green sauce.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you,
Okay.
Amiga.
Okay.
Can you explain like how do you call Amiga and Amigo? What is Amiga?
Friend.
Friend.
Amiga is feminine.
Feminine.
Amigo
Okay.
is masculine.
Okay. Can you
Yeah.
explain it on your language, like Mexican?
Amigo.
Yeah.
Amigo en amigo es hombre.
Okay.
Amiga es mujer.
Okay. Thank you so much.
De nada.
Thank you, Amiga. Tanner, do you know who is the president of the Philippines?
No.
Or just like a prime minister here? Prime minister, who is our prime minister here?
Justin.
Justin Trudeau. How about the Philippines? Do you know
I have
a
no.
president? No.
No.
Any popular person in the Philippines? Do you know? Do you know someone like movie actor, movie actress, or
Not that I can
TV
think of
host?
offhand, no.
nothing?
No.
No. Are you born Canadian?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Tanner.
Yeah.